All right, hey everyone, Amit here from Analyst Canvas. Just going to take you through getting your BigQuery set up so that you can get your Universal Analytics data into your BigQuery account. All right, so we're here in the step-by-step guide under the Exporting Your Data to BigQuery submenu here. Here it shows us the steps that are required and the permissions that were needed in both places. So I'm just going to take you through all this in a quick video. All right, so first we'll go over to Canvas. You probably already have, well, if you haven't started the process yet, then when you first get to exporting your data to BigQuery, you'll see this message here and it shows you your Surface account. I'm just going to get it from admin, access your own BigQuery, and there is my Surface account again. All right, now I'm going to go over to BigQuery, and here I've already created a couple of data sets. Let's grab another one here, and we'll say UA Backup Demo 3. Okay, I'm going to keep it here in the US multi-region. It's important to know where you're putting it. That will be your data location. We need to build the backup in the same data location. All right, so we'll create that data set. There it is, number 3. And again, here we see the data location is in the US. Now I'll go to sharing and permissions. I'll add a principal. There's my Surface account. And I'm going to give it BigQuery Data Editor. Okay, that allows us to write into just this data set. Now I'm going to go to admin, so we'll close this, and I'll go to IAM, and here in IAM I'm going to grant access to that same principal. Oops, just the once. And here I'm going to give it BigQuery Read Session User. That allows the application to see the project, and then for the project it's going to show us the data set underneath it. That's it. Those are the steps that are required. If you're not able to connect after following those steps, come on over to the full documentation for using the cloud service account in Analyst Canvas, and over here to the troubleshooting guide down here under troubleshooting if you can't connect. And here we have all the steps that you need to go through. In some cases, you've got to enable some APIs, check your data location, things to that effect. If you go through these steps, you 100% will be able to connect to your data in BigQuery, or connect to your BigQuery data set in Analyst Canvas and write your data into it. All right, thanks very much.